A good chest freezer can make everyday storage much easier, especially when you want extra space for meat, frozen meals, or bulk groceries. In this video, I have listed the best options that offer solid value and reliable performance without making things complicated. Each freezer on this list is chosen for its practicality, build quality, and user-friendly features. If you want to check any model for yourself, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Let's take a look at what each one has to offer. Number 5. Vever Chest Freezer. This chest freezer stands out as the best option if you need huge storage space at a great value. With a massive 17.2 cubic feet capacity, it easily handles bulky items like large cuts of meat, frozen meals, seafood, and even big boxes of groceries. This makes it ideal not just for homes, but also for restaurants, cafes, bars, or anyone who needs to store food in large quantities without worrying about running out of space. One of its biggest strengths is its high-efficiency cooling system, which uses only 1.62 kilowatt hours per day. That means you're getting fast, stable cooling while keeping energy bills low. The adjustable thermostat gives you flexibility with 7 temperature settings, allowing you to choose from deep freeze levels as low as -28 degrees Celsius to normal refrigeration temperatures. This makes the freezer suitable for different types of food storage. The thoughtful design details are also worth mentioning. The hinge-style door stays open between 45 degrees and 90 degrees, so you can load groceries without having to hold the lid. The lockable lid, LED lighting, and indicator light all add to ease of use. The included 6 casters make moving this large freezer surprisingly easy. On top of that, the 4 baskets help you organize smaller items so they don't get lost at the bottom. If you're looking for a large, dependable, and energy-efficient chest freezer, this is a strong choice that offers great value and performance. Number 4. Life Plus Chest Freezer. This chest freezer is the best choice if you want a compact unit that still provides great performance. Even though it has a smaller 3.5 cubic feet capacity, the freezer is designed smartly so it can hold a surprising amount of food while still fitting easily in apartments, offices, home bars, dorms, or small kitchens. The removable basket helps you organize your daily essentials, so smaller items are always within reach. Its main strength is the 7-mode adjustable thermostat, which lets you choose from temperatures ranging from -7.6 degrees Fahrenheit to -22.2 degrees Fahrenheit. This gives you full control over how you store your food, whether you want to freeze meat, keep beverages cold, or simply keep snacks fresh. The indicator lights also let you know that the freezer is on and working properly. The freezer uses an energy-efficient R600A compressor, so it cools quickly while keeping power usage low. It is also designed to be extremely quiet, staying under 40 dB, which means it won't disturb your sleep, work, or daily routine. This quiet operation makes it perfect for bedrooms, small living areas, or office spaces. It also added practical touches like adjustable legs for uneven floors and a door that stays open from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, making it easy to load and unload food. Overall, if you want a small but powerful freezer that is quiet, efficient, and easy to place anywhere, this is one of the best compact options available. Number 3. Midea Merc 04C4 BAWW. This chest freezer earns its spot as the best convertible option, offering the ability to switch between a freezer and refrigerator whenever needed. This flexibility makes it perfect for people who have changing storage needs throughout the year. Whether you want to freeze meat or chill drinks, you can easily adjust the mode using the exterior control panel without opening the lid. This model is also garage-ready, which means it can handle temperature changes and still work efficiently. Many freezers struggle in hot or cold garages, but this one is tested to operate smoothly from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit in freezer mode and 38 degrees Fahrenheit to 110 degrees Fahrenheit in fridge mode. This makes it an excellent pick for basements, garages, and utility rooms. One of its strongest features is power outage protection. The freezer can keep food frozen for up to 48 hours without electricity. This is a huge advantage if you live in an area with frequent power cuts. The adjustable legs allow you to set it at the right height, and the removable basket helps keep your smaller items organized and easy to find. What also stands out is the exterior temperature panel, which means you don't have to open the freezer and let cold air escape. This helps maintain consistent cooling and reduces energy consumption. If you want a chest freezer that offers flexibility, durability, and strong backup cooling during outages, this model is one of the best choices. Number 2. Igloo Chest Freezer. This chest freezer is the best choice for fast cooling, thanks to its advanced D-type refrigeration tube. This system increases the heat exchange area, allowing the freezer to reach cold temperatures quicker than many competing models. It's perfect for users who frequently store new groceries and want them frozen as quickly as possible. With a 3.5 cubic feet capacity, it provides enough space for frozen meals, meats, pizzas, drinks, and more. This makes it suitable for homes, garages, RVs, cabins, and basements. The aluminum-lined interior and tight, heavy-duty gasket create a strong seal that prevents cold air from leaking out, helping keep energy use low. The freezer features an adjustable thermostat, allowing you to set temperatures from -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you want deep freezing or moderate cooling, the easy-to-use dial lets you control it without hassle. The removable wire basket helps organize the inside, so smaller items remain easy to find. One thoughtful design feature is the balanced hinge-style door, which stays open between 45 degrees and 90 degrees. This makes loading groceries more convenient and prevents the lid from accidentally falling closed while you're looking inside. Overall, if you're looking for a fast-acting, reliable, and user-friendly chest freezer, this offers excellent value and strong performance. Number 1. Yuhami Chest Freezer. This chest freezer takes the top spot as the best overall option thanks to its strong mix of efficiency, quiet operation, thoughtful design, and great performance for everyday use. Even with a compact footprint of 2.8 square feet, it offers a spacious 3.5 cubic feet capacity, which can store around 33 pounds of beef or 48 pounds of fish. This makes it ideal for small kitchens, apartments, garages, dorms, and any place where space is limited. One of its most helpful features is the built-in wheels, which make moving the freezer simple, even if you're alone. The removable mesh basket also helps with organizing smaller food items, so you don't lose things at the bottom. There's also a convenient drainage port to remove melted water easily after defrosting or power outages. This freezer uses a high-performance R600A compressor, consuming only 0.53 kilowatt-hours per day, which is impressively efficient. It also operates at just 38 dB, so it stays very quiet during use. Even during power outages, its thick insulation and sealed door helps slow down temperature loss, keeping your food safer for longer. With great energy efficiency, practical features, solid storage capacity, and low noise, this freezer delivers excellent value. If you want something compact yet powerful, this chest freezer is easily the best overall pick. Wrapping up, these 5 chest freezers deliver strong performance, solid value, and the kind of reliability most homes appreciate. Each one brings something useful to the table, whether you need extra storage for bulk groceries or dependable cooling for long-term needs. I have listed the best options to help make your choice a little easier. Before you go, check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share with your fellow anglers, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all of our latest content, tips, and reviews.